Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up multiple languages in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome, and once you're in the Chrome you have to simply type in the Google Ads in the search bar, and then you have to choose the first website from here, and there you will get the option of sign in and start now as well. So for you can just go for the sign in or start now according to your preferences, and then what you need to do is it will simply take you to this dashboard, and from here you have to just simply click on the campaigns, then you have to choose the campaigns option from here, and here you will get all the options that you are currently, or all the campaigns that you are currently running, or you can just manage here all the campaigns. Then what is the next step is you have to simply click on the settings icon of that campaign that you would like to edit. So for example, I'd like to go for this one, then simply click on the settings icon from here. Once you're in the settings icon, you have to just simply click on the, here you can see the languages option here, and if you choose the languages option and just expand it, and here you can just simply start typing or select a language. For me, English and French is chosen, and for you can also type in another languages, and then just simply click on save icon from here, and it will simply add that languages to your ad now. So for it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.